So I got this log splitter off my buddy Chris. Gave me a heck of a deal, and I ain't ever used it yet, but he's used it a couple seasons, I think. But I just bought it and put it up here and covered it with a tarp, and now I got the urge to try to use it.
What is it? The Dirty Hand Tools 30-ton?
30-ton log splitter. Professional grade.
All right, well, let's see what it can do.
Let me get a log over here.
We got a lot of firewood that we have to split for our new fireplace.
Yeah, show them all the logs we got.
Where do I even start?
Oh.
It's everywhere.
Every time.
It's all around the property.
Yeah, and all this, we're going to cut these trees down, so we're going to have to split those. Don't worry, I got it, honey.
Well,
I turned the gas off.
oh.
All right, well, I can tell you right now, I like this thing a lot better than that one because
What was the other one?
it's a Tractor Supply brand. It's called County Line.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it stopped running. But,
What's going on with that one again?
the pull string broke, the carburetor's bad, the bowl's not, it's just leaking gas, and I ain't got time to fix it or nowhere to fix it right now until they get done with that. But
With the house?
anyway, Chris gave me a good deal on this, so I went ahead and bought it from him, but I like this a lot. I can split the wood and roll it, and just leave it right here while I split little logs, and I think it's gonna do pretty good. We need to get it on flat ground though, because I'm kind of leaning. It's kind of hard to deal with.
It's kind of hard to get on
But
flat
it's the
ground
first
around here.
time I used it, and I think it'll be pretty good. It also lays up.
This is the first time you use it. How long has it been sitting here?
I bought it back in like
3 months.
more than that. I think it was back in November.
Well, that was 3 months ago.
Anyway, we got a lot of wood to split, and I gotta get my chainsaw.
We'll burn it up though.
Yeah. I mean, look at the pile over here. You just gotta get up over there. Look at that.
It's a mud pit.
Yeah, and trucks keep backing up right here. This was pretty dry.
I gotta back up somewhere. Yeah, we got wood everywhere. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and then when we
But it's it's down there, over behind the house over there, everywhere.
back behind us, where the chicken coop's gonna be.
Huh.
Yeah, and I got trees down in that holler right there,
Where?
right there, where we pushed all that for that fill in the road. It's all down there. And I think there's more up there too.
Wow.
Yeah, we got our hands full.
Anyway, we got the mom over here watching the kiddos. So we thought we'd give you all a review of the. Yeah. Okay, there's a cloud coming. Anyway, give y'all a good old review of that new log splitter we got. So we'll see y'all again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.